complete my circle. The most important last piece.
So today's videos, I would like to share how to do the messy Jetson Wang hairstyle. Let's go.
Before the hairstyling, you need 2 block cut.
Almost 99% Korean idol, they have this haircut. If you want to learn about what is 2 block cut, so please check out my other tutorial, alright? I just do the 2 block cuts for my models, then I just make them to look K-pop idol. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. First, spray water or go to shampoo to reset your hair. Just like this. 잘생겼다. 몸에 몸이고 난다. Then apply the heat protect spray. Just spray on the top and do the 7-3 hair parting. Look at your eyes, and your eyes is the guideline for define your hair parting. You find out your hair parting, right? So let's do the blow dry. Blow dry backward for the side. Don't get messy for the hair parting. So when we finish for the one side, then we go to the front. Blow dry upward for the front. And I suggest when you do the blow dry, brush your hair with the hair dryer. It is so nice to create more volume and the direction. Hey guys, you should follow my step because I'm the professional hairdresser. I'm not just a YouTube creator, alright? When you finish the blow dry, now you need a small round brush. Separate another side, then get a small section to create a C-curl. Then allow the hair wrap around the brush. Apply the high heat for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, nice C-curl. Oh my goodness, oh my god. Uncle Roger should learn this hairstyle. Separate the other side. Hey guys, let's copy his stronger volume. We need to create the stronger volume for the front. So please follow my blow dry angle. Apply the high heat for 5 seconds, then cool down with the cold air with another 5 seconds. The stronger volume you need. Hey guys, just follow my step and create the C-curl for each section. Then I would like to show you how I use the straight iron in the next step. Blow dry with the round brush is so important for this hairstyle, so never skip it. Actually, round brush is so useful for the curly, wavy, also the straight hair. Yeah, that's mean this tutorial is so useful for everyone. So if you want to know more, maybe I would like to make another videos to talk about it. 100% this flick out movement is the signature for this hairstyle. Let's go! Just take few pieces from here. Just flick out for the section like this. Then just check out with the mirror to see is that curl enough. So if you find out it is not curl enough, then you can hold it for few seconds for the end. Just like this. Hey, magic, 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 magic. The flick out C curl. Hey, just take few pieces for the other side visually. So for create the flick out C curl, I suggest the temperature with the straight iron is in between 180 to 200. That will be great. Everything just do one more time, make sure that the flick out C curl is strong enough. Right now I'm going to show you how to do this Jetson hair movement. For the final step, never skip the styling product. Mix it on your hands, then imagine that your hands like a magic brush. And brush all the way backward to apply the matte paste. Please don't say that this tutorial is so complicated, because no pain, no gain. Come on man, you're looking for the best tutorial. If you wanna be the best, so follow the best. Just break through yourself, be a better me. Now you need to create the hair movement for the side and the back, so you need your second mirror. To see the side and the back with the mirror reflection, brush the side to the back area. Can't you see the nice hair movement, right? Because I'm just using the fingers for the details work. Everything just follow the blow dry direction. Of course following Isaac's tutorial as well, then you can get the Jetson hair. Everything just under your control. Yeah, everything is possible, but you have to find out the right formula. And right here in this video is the right formula that you're looking for. Maybe, haha. When you do like this, can create more volumes for the front. Then go downward for the fringe. The fringe is slightly to the backward. Just like this, good kid. And the side as well. Finally, twist your hair to find out the flake out C curl. Hey guys, never forget to apply the hairspray to make sure that the hairstyle stay up all day long. Hey guys, I just finished. How's the feeling? Hey, thank you for watching guys. So if you love this video, so please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell, make sure that never miss my new videos. So your support is really important to me. So follow on my Instagram at ISaidYou, not Jetson Wen. Alright? So see you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace. How to do the messy Jetson Wen hairstyle. Let's go.